You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these. Name. If you want to learn more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. Confusing ones at the end of the video. 2 ways of pronouncing it, 2 different correct pronunciations in English. Glycosuria, glycosuria, glycosuria. You got this? The other one is as glycosuria, 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 or glycosuria. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.